Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to check for a car battery that is leaking sulfuric acid by using a multimeter. First, take your multimeter and set it to voltage. Next, take the multimeter negative test lead and put it directly on the negative battery terminal. Next, take the positive test lead and touch the positive battery terminal on the battery. You want to check the voltage. So the voltage is 12.6 and it is good. Next, we're going to check for sulfuric acid leaking out of the car battery. Next, check for sulfuric acid leaking at the vent cap area. That is going to be the most common spot where the sulfuric acid is going to leak out of. Now, if you get a voltage reading on the multimeter, it means that the sulfuric acid is leaking out of that area. And of course, the number can range between 0 to 12.6. And of course, the greater the number, it means that the sulfuric acid is leaking more in that area. And of course, the smaller the number or lower the number, it means that lesser sulfuric acid is leaking out of that area. Make sure to keep checking for leaks because a battery casing can fail for many reasons. For example, if the weather gets way too cold or it's freezing cold, it can cause the casing to crack, it can cause it to leak, or if the battery casing is really old or you have a very old battery, also the battery casing can start to crack as well. Furthermore, if the battery is being overcharged caused by a failed alternator, it can cause the battery casing to start to bulge outward, and it can also cause the casing to crack as well. And of course, if the battery is being overcharged, it can cause the electrolyte to start to boil and you'll see sulfuric acid leaking out of the vent cap area. If you look at the car battery and it looks extremely wet, that could be a sign that the car battery has been leaking sulfuric acid. And of course, it can be caused by many reasons, such as the car batteries being overcharged caused by a failed alternator, or you have a bad battery casing caused by it's either been degraded because the battery is extremely old, or the casing got cracked or became cracked caused by the weather being extremely cold, or again, the batteries being overcharged. To get rid of the sulfuric acid or to neutralize it, you could always use baking soda and mix it with a little bit of water and pour it directly on the car battery. And this will help neutralize the sulfuric acid. Afterward, you can use a cup of warm water or even hot water as well and pour it directly on the car battery. And that'll help get rid of any residue on the car battery. Now, after you have done that, make sure to check your car battery from time to time to make sure that sulfuric acid is not leaking out of it. If it's still leaking a lot of sulfuric acid, again, it means that you're going to have a battery casing issue that might be cracked, and maybe you want to think about replacing that car battery. I hope you found that lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.